how do I grow with the algorithm? How do I grow with the algorithm? You can grow with the algorithm. Well, the best way for you to grow with the algorithm is one, research for high performing keywords, high performing topics, that people are searching for. Okay, so in your niche, just grab your brain about topics people are searching for in your niche. There are a lot of tools you can use to do this. Okay, add searchable keywords and great good video. Once you have good topics you want to talk about that are searchable, look for keywords that are searchable as well, good keywords, relevant keywords that are searchable, and then you create good video, right? And then once you do this, create a playlist, right? Have a playlist that increase your session time, and then use analytics to view. Always, like after posting your videos, after some days, always go back to the analytics to check the performance of your video, when people were dropping off, and then you start seeing what you did wrong, and then you try to improve. Okay,
Hey guys, welcome to Tube Great Nation. In this channel, I talk about how to grow your YouTube channel, social media growth tips and hacks, and how to make money online. To my old subscribers, you are the real VIP. Thank you very much for always stopping by to watch my videos. And to my new subscribers, you are highly welcome. Please, if you want any kind of content about YouTube growth, how to grow your social media account, how to grow your YouTube account, how to make money online, then this place is for you. Just click on the like button, like this video, and subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss anytime we give another update on how to make money online or any YouTube growth tips. Okay,
how do I grow with the algorithm? How do I grow with the algorithm? You can grow with the algorithm. Well, the best way for you to grow with the algorithm is one, research for high performing keywords, high performing topics that people are searching for. Okay, so in your niche, just grab your brain about topics people are searching for in your niche. There are a lot of tools you can use to do this. Okay, add searchable keywords and great good video. Once you have good topics you want to talk about that are searchable, look for keywords that are searchable as well, good keywords, relevant keywords that are searchable, and then you create good video, right? And then once you do this, create a playlist, right? Have a playlist that increase your session time, and then use analytics to view. Always, like after posting your videos, after some days, always go back to the analytics to check the performance of your video, when people were dropping off, and then you start seeing what you did wrong, and then you try to improve. Okay, jump on trends, but give them your own unique twist. When you see trends coming up, jump on it, but then give them your own unique twist, your own style. Make it unique for you. Okay, experiment both the short videos and also the long videos, yeah, to tap into the new traffic. Experiment both the long, the short, the live stream. Just experiment all of them and tap into it, and finally stay consistent. This is how you can relate with the YouTube algorithm in 2025 and grow. I hope I answered your questions. If that answer I've given you value based on the question that was asked, let me know in the chat box. Tell me you are doing great in the chat box, and if you're watching a replay, tell me you are doing great in the comment section. Okay, so let's go into question number 11. It says, how do I rank a video on a search engine? How do I rank a video on a search engine? Number one is by optimizing your videos. I always say it, optimize your video. Search engine is where people search. See, if your content is searchable and then browsable, both of them joined together, that content will be good, right? So for you to be searchable, as I said, have good keywords, incorporate these keywords in your description, your titles, your tags, and then boom, you will just see the channel will go up. Now look at this small video. It's a very small channel, right? If you see, it has, see the percentage of people searchable, people searching for it, right? See the percentage people are searching for that content. And it's as small as it is, it can still come up, and YouTube still give this channel the opportunity to come up on the search engine and get noticed. 33%. That's good. That's good for a small creator. You understand? So you see, even though as small as the channel is with not much subscribers, because she's doing the right thing, right? It brings up the video the way you see it, and people are seeing it in the search engine. The next thing is that they will promote that video on their channels that are sharing the same kind of content. You understand? So that's how the algorithm works. So try and incorporate these strategies into what you are doing. Okay, the next question is question number 12. What is the best way to do keyword research? Oh wow, the best way to do keyword research is by using keyword SEO tools. Use SEO tools. After brainstorming on your titles, the topic you want to talk about, take it to keyword research tools, search for it, make sure that the topics you are searching for and the keywords you are searching for actually have good performance, like has a high search rate and a low competition. high search rate, and a low to medium competition. That's how you can grow as a small creator. As a small creator, if you go and be typing topics that are high search and high competitive, who are you? Who knows you? You understand? Nobody knows you yet. You're still very small, and it will be hard for you to compete with people, professionals in the field, people who have been here with millions of subscribers. You understand? And you're the tiny you want to go and compete with them. It will be tough now. You might be ranking like number 128,000 of people creating that kind of content. So imagine how it is. So if you want to create content, you have to make sure that you use keyword SEO tools to search for keywords and titles that are high search but low competition, or maybe medium competition. You can try, right? But high search and low competition, at least you will have the opportunity to be seen up there small. That's it. That's why I keep saying growth is a gradual process. So just do the right thing. If you go to my channel, I have a detailed tutorial on how to use SEO tools to do your best SEO keyword research, viral keyword research, how to do it, complete tutorials. So go to my channel and check for more detailed video on that. Okay, so did I answer your questions? Let's right into the next question, which is question number 13. How do I generate my tags for my video? It's still the same thing. You can use tools. You can use TubeBuddy, VideoQ. All these SEO tools help you in doing that already. So as I said, if you go to my video, you see I have a detailed video where I teach viral SEO and keyword research. In there, I showed how to generate those keywords, and how to generate tags, right? Using those tools, right? And use it on your description, your titles, and your thumbnail, and your titles, your descriptions, and your tags. That's it. So let's go to the next one. But before we go, at this moment, I am here to say, have I given you value? Have you subscribed to this channel? Please click on the subscribe button if you have not. I am going to wait for you to do that. Click on the subscribe button, subscribe to this channel. If you have not told me where you're watching me from, please let me know where you're watching me from the comment section. If you have not told me your niche, let me know the niche you are into in the comment section. Don't forget, I'm going to do something for those who drop their niche in the comment section at the end. So make sure you drop your niche at the end, your niche in the chat box or in the comment section. Okay,